Sears Refrigerator Repair Services in Los Angeles specialize in Sears refrigerator repair that consists of Sears refrigerator repair, Sears refrigerator freezer repair, Sears French door refrigerator repair, Sears stainless steel refrigerator repair, along with all other Sears refrigerator models. If your Sears refrigerator is not cold enough, or your Sears refrigerator water dispenser is not working, if your refrigerator ice maker is not working, or your refrigerator ice dispenser is not working, maybe your refrigerator is not defrosting, or your refrigerator is noisy or loud, your refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or your refrigerator is leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.